Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a VEVOR whiteboard, so let's open it up and you get a general idea about how big this is from the box. So, okay, I honestly thought the tape was going to come off neater than that, but anyway, let's get that in the trash. So let's open this up. It's got a good cardboard cover on it. So it has your accessories, which are probably going to be some markers and the eraser in there, I'm sure. So let's get this up and out. Okay, so that is the whiteboard. And let's see what accessories we get in here. Okay. See, it's got an eraser in there. I guess I got to get both ends open here. I can push everything through. Not too easy. No, that's why. So it's got a bunch of little magnetic accessories. It's got this little dry eraser that is like really stuck in here. My goodness. Okay. So it's packed really well. Packed a little too well, but my goodness. This is just okay. So that's your dry erase marker. Okay, so that is your dry eraser. So you get 2 dry erase pens and it looks like you have 6 magnets. You get a couple of mounting screws and brackets here. And then let's open this up. I think we'll bring out the handy dandy Leatherman to slice these down the sides here. That worked? Yeah, it kind of worked. Okay. To say this is packed well is an understatement. I mean, it's got like triple layers of protection on here. Okay, so this is your instruction manual. So it kind of gives you like some hints and tips. So that's it. Let's take this off. I'm not 100% clear what this is, but let's take a closer look. Oh, okay, so that is your little shelf for all your little accessories. So you can put your little dry erase. Let me get that in that camera angle a little bit better. So you can put all your magnets, stuff on there, and that's how they stick. So really cool. So if you got like any notes, any reminders. So like today we're talking about the VEVOR Tough Tools, half the price. So kind of give you an idea of how that looks. So I mean it's a couple layers of paper through there. So that is really neat. And then you have your mounting pieces up here. So with your 2 screws, you can easily slide that back and forth. So the edge and closer. Whoever you want to hang that up at, but that is pretty cool. And there we go. So that's off. All right, let me spin this around. That's a pretty big area. And everybody in the world will see how terrible my handwriting is. Okay, so they're not magnetic, but that's okay. You got the little tray down there. Spin that around, and again you can mount that wherever you need with these little mounting screws that come with it as well. But yeah, you got a nice size area, and the eraser works really well. Very neat, very cool. Oh, and size wise, So you're about 29 inches diagonal. It is 24 inches wide, and it is roughly 18 inches high. So 24 by 18, diagonal just about 30, but what a great size. Anyway, Brian from Garage Ball, thanks for watching, and what an awesome whiteboard. Be safe out there.